preacher, would you be my? It's the dun. I still got a lot of shit to learn. All it is.
Hey guys, welcome back to my Okay, hey guys, welcome back to channel. And today we are gonna play with my friend, which is also a YouTuber. His name is Hooden, the Hooden Panther. So make sure guys to follow him. So I'm gonna go. I know the tutorial. Don't give me the tutorial. Yes, I know that.
Look at me.
It's beautiful. Yes, I know it's beautiful. Jesus. Well, this guy has a lot. I know it's beautiful. Where are you? Like, what the frick are you? The Hooden. Oh, beautiful. Yes, I got a royal jelly. Aha. Yes, girl. Look at me. Oh, look at me. Okay. The Dune Jagger. Are you serious? The Dune Panther. What? Hyena, are you? I'm making a vid. I'm making a vid. Say hi to you too. I swear. Okay, YouTube, what's up? Okay. Whatever, so yeah, I forgot. I got a royal jelly. I got a royal jelly for free. What channel? I got a royal jelly for free. Get quiet. Thanks, saucy. Okay, whatever. Yeah, it's from no. Bee swarm something. What's your channel? You literally asked my channel. Okay, I'll tell my channel, but before that, I will tell you my channel. But I'll tell my channel, but what? The Hooden Jaguar, yeah, he's my friend, so guys, find him. It's Collie. I mean, that he named. No, I mean, Ina. Cleon. Are you serious? Are you serious, man? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna spell one by one. So, Quay, mommy's sleeping. Clea. No, not Bay. N. E. Bam. E. The freak. Fiona. With an. Wait, what? X. Halo. Logo. So, with an X Halo. What the freak? We're gonna left the game. X is an X. Halo logo. Wow, you're pro. Okay, you know what, guys? I'm gonna almost end this, but I'm gonna do. Bro, you have a good face. Whatever. Let's just try to buy. This one cannot buy because I am freaking. Yeah, soon I get honey deeper. Oh no, it's in the cornfield. Okay, where is that? Where the freak are going? Where the freak are going, man? Where the freak are you going? Okay, you know what? I have no quest. Okay, red pole, and that's in the strawberry field, which is really weird. I got 10 tickets. Are you serious right now? Oh, there's a present. What's the present? Exchange it with an MC for a prize. I bet the prize. Oh, I got 25 trees. Are you serious? That would be so cool. Container full water. You have to make money. Ah, that's why I'm here. I got Looker bee. Look at my bee. It's amazing. Okay, now. No. Let me see what to do. I don't know what to do with this. I don't mostly know what to do with this thing, but I think we need to get an egg right now. So enter code. So, wow, that's a lot of Robux, you know. Easy win. Is defeated. Oh, good job. Can I play another game? Can we play another game? Can we play? Can we play another game? So guys, I know this is a very short video, but I think, can we play another game? Like what? I don't know. Just join me. I don't know the join me. Did he left? Did he? No, he's not. He didn't left yet. I don't know this dummy. Okay, whatever. Oh well, thanks for watching, guys. Hope subscribe and leave a like to my channel, and add me in Roblox. Wait, I get honey deeper. Yeah. So, add me in Roblox. Yes, Chloe Corn girl. Yes, and I forgot about it that I was gonna post a search sketch. But thank you guys for watching, and see you later. Bye.